this is Brandon with Be Clean, and we're at another daycare. That's right. We're at one of these Kindercare centers, and we have about 3 of them we just added onto the charts. Some busy work here, keeping us busy before the summer hits. You see, we're using the Cymex, all right? Big old Cymex. I got this Cymex during the pandemic. Went all the way to Ohio. I'm located in Pennsylvania. Harrisburg, drove 6 hours during the pandemic. Picked this thing up, got it for $300. This machine right here is definitely worth about $2,000. Actually, it's $3,500 new, but at least $1,000. But anyway, replace the tank, replace the nozzle and stuff. She's not the prettiest, but you don't judge a book by its cover, okay? We judge it by the results we get, all right? As you can see, we got this rug here. The way this machine works, encapsulation, okay? It's pad spin, all right? Encapsulate inside the pad. Puts all the dirt inside the pad. Look, see this giraffe here? See, this thing has some spots on it. Let's go ahead and hit this for you real quick. This thing uses gravity. I got my solution in here. It's all in one, all right? So we're going to get it packed. It's a 175 with the tank, okay? We got 3 pads spinning. I'm going to hit that giraffe net. I'm going to drop some solution down, give it a little wiggle here. Oh, man, I actually put too much down. But still looking good. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. What stains do you see? I tell you what, I don't see any. All right, same thing. Let's look at this. Let's get this daggone alligator here. See that alligator here? I'm not going to drop as much solution. Get a trigger pull, gravity, go over it. 3 pads are spinning. All right, look at that thing. It's looking good. I'm going to hit it one more time though. Let's drop a little more solution. A couple seconds. Yeah. Woo! Hello. We're cooking right now. We're cooking. All right, so that's what we're doing here, dropping it off. Encapsulation. You're like, oh my gosh, she's not using any hoses. I don't see any wands. There's no water. Well, there's your water inside the tank, all right? And then the hoses, well, that's a thing of the past, man. Who wants to use a hose? All right, we don't want any hose around here. So what we do is we're gonna go ahead and we're using gravity and we're using technology because just like, all right, I was born in the 90s, okay? So we had Nokia phones with the nice little snake game on there. And then we had, the Razor phones. Then the iPhone came out with no buttons at all. And just like that, cell phone and technology industry continues to advance. So does the cleaning industry, okay? All right. Steam. Some people get mad, but it's a thing of the past, all right? New school. We got the new school in here, all right? New school, out with the old, in with the new. We're teaching the old dog some new tricks out here, okay? So it's way faster, more efficient. As you can see, I'm on a limited floor, okay? That steam and heat this thing up, may make it peel, color, all that, all right? We're not doing that. And plus, they need it to dry right away. This process dries in 1 hour. That's right, you got your house, you got your daycare. Shoot, take the kids outside for 2 hours instead of an hour. Let them tire out while we come in here and clean, and then they can come back on some clean carpets. Everything we use is green friendly, pet and kid friendly. So it's already sanitized, it's already neutral, natural pH, okay? We're good to go. And I'm cruising with some new solution that someone sent me out to try and test out. So far, I'm not mad at the results at all. I mean, look at this number 2 here. It's all dingy. See a little dinginess? We're gonna get rid of that dingy. We're gonna go over that number 2. Look at her. She's bright now. She's shining. Shining bright like a diamond. Oh, look at that. Elephant ear. He got a little stain. Ain't no pain in his stain. Look at that. Woo! What stain? That stain gone. I dropped a little bit too much solution. Got a little bit too excited. And I'm going to go ahead and spread that out. We got ourselves about 30 rugs in here. I'm in for it. I didn't know it was this many. I actually didn't look at this one before. I said, hey, 70 square footage, you know. This one's a little bit out of our area. We're actually in Hershey right now. But hey, my kids actually attend Kindercare, one of the Kindercare centers, and I'm like, hey, come on, man. Shoot, you attend them centers? Well, I'll tell you what. I'm going to take care of them. That's why I chose. Look at this. All stains are gone. Looking nice, vibrant. So, for the sake of the video, you see what I'm doing right now. Just hitting all these rugs. I'm going to wait till I get to a real filthy one. And then I'll show you guys what's coming on next so you can see how we're getting this done. Stay tuned. I'm in the second to last room here. Just showing you there's no really stains on here at all. A little bit, like something like that. So I'll show you that. Hit this back up. There's not that many that's in this older kid room. Mainly the little kid room, but I showed you that already. Sake of the video course, I'm gonna go ahead and just stop and keep going. You see how the machine works. She's over here. She's hauling. She's trying to get going. I'm trying to go. It's a late night. It's Friday night. Even though I don't have any plans. But hey, it's Friday night. I'm trying to get done so I can go home. All right. Brandon would be Clean Professionals. If you like anything you see, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe. Go ahead and turn it down tonight and see if you want to see something you like to see. You want to see something get clean, let me know. We clean it all from top to bottom to down and dirty. We will get it clean for you. Power washing, scrubbing, whatever it is. Maid service, janitorial. We got it all. We got you covered. We got you covered. Stay tuned and let me know what you like to see more of. It looks like we're all rolling right now. A little wobbly. All right, give me one of them head cameras here. Shoot. One of the head cameras. This guy's the whole show. So we got ourselves a grinder. All right, here's that big rug here. Let's get that stain. Let's do one path right on down so you can see what we're working with. He's going down the 40, the 50, the 100. Oh, a touchdown. He hit the stain. And let's see. Oh, my gosh, it's brighter. We're going to hit one more stain so you can see. All right, here we go. Over there by the R. And what do you know? Poof, it disappeared like magic. It's like magic here. You believe in magic. Come on now. All right, check it out. Stain, go away. Come again another day. Look at how bright it is. All right, hold on, let me show you. Look how bright it is. Look, left to right. Oh my goodness, let's get that picture here. All right, guys, oh man, this thing's on a roll. She's trying to go. Got on one hand. Okay, look, here we go. Let's give some content here. Before, after. Oh, whoopsie. Gotta drop some more solution down. I'm over here trying to fool you. Oh, before, there it is. After, there it is. She's looking good. All right, almost like new. Wears like new. All right. We got a little stain there. Before, after. Oh my, where's it go? Uh-oh, still there. She didn't go anywhere. Hold on now. The 40, the 50. Oh, the touchdown, she's gone. All right, guys. I gotta get back to it here. We're almost done. This is the last room we're in. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 over there in the corner. All right, we're rolling. I always like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start. But one thing I do want to let you know here is that while we're also cleaning, I didn't show this part, okay? We come into your home. We let you know when we're on our way, okay? This notification has been sent. We let you know when it's finished or when we started and when it's all done. We can send you that email or this invoice.